Suppose you are teaching on a projector and one of your student asks, ma'am, could you please increase the size of the fonts? Then what we do, we go to the slider here and increase the size so that they can see easily. But what about the formula bar? It stays at the same size. So what can you do for that? The solution is not that hard. Just go to your file, then option. Then when creating a new workbook, increase the font size from 11 to 16. Press on OK. Now need to restart your Excel and reopen it. Now our formula bar also have large text too. But before you close your teaching session, please change this back to the default. Or whenever you want to open a new worksheet, the default font size will be 16. So our default was 11. Press on OK. So thank you guys. If you have any question or any confusion, please comment below and give a like and support me with a subscription.